Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well during this lockdown period. Students, as you know that this lockdown time gives you a very precious time for you. In this time, you can use this time in a different manner. With this vision, I am Virendra, your computer science teacher. I am here to deliver some of the important lecture on some of the topics. So students, first of all, I just want to give you a warm welcome on my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to have a revision of chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Internet Services. Right students? So, without wasting any of the time, let's come to the chapter here. So, in today's revision session, I will try to complete maximum topics as much as possible. But student, I don't think the video is too long. Okay, I will try to give you a short video, and that short video consists of all the maximum topics. Right? So I hope this kind of revision class is definitely a fruitful session for you, a very beneficial session for you. Okay students? So what topics we are going to cover in this session? In this chapter, Internet Services, our first topic is social networking sites. Then second, Twitter and microblogging. Third, Internet forum. Fourth, OneDrive. Fifth, cloud computing. Okay, we'll try to cover these five topics, and after that we'll come to our next topic. So students, one more thing I just want to tell you that once you are studying the internet services, the first question arises in your mind that the first question is what is internet? What is internet? Okay, so as you know that internet means is the one kind of collection, one kind of interconnection between a large number of computers, and that large number of computers is getting interactive with each other, and after during the interaction a person can share the files or data to any of the computer. Okay, so you can say a small term for the internet, a small term. The small term always remember you that what things is going in your mind. So network, right? So you will remember this thing. Network means internet is nothing but it's a network of network. So it means that whenever you are talking about internet, so internet is nothing but means it's a large number of computers are there, and that all computers are getting to the media like your wireless connection or your wired connection, and then after having a network, the person can send any data to anywhere, right? And one more thing I just want to tell you, what are the benefits of internet? Benefits of internet. What are the benefits of internet? As you know that on the internet 24 hours in a day, 365 in a year, whole month, means every second is some kind of incidents is happening on the internet. Many kinds of activities going on the internet. So what is Telstack? What is Telstack? It tells that it's a one kind of global network platform. It's a one kind of global network platform. Global network platform. It means that the internet is nothing but it's a one kind of platform, and that platform is available globally. Means anyone can access at any place, right? It's a one kind of network that is globally available, and anybody can share the data at any place, right? So first benefit is that person can send the data to any place in a quick succession of time, right? Second, if you talk about the benefits, some more benefits about it, that it saves your lots of time. No need to do any kind of work manually. Okay? Likewise, if you want to do a internet call to any other person, you can do with the help of this kind of facilities. Right? You are right now every day you are chatting with WhatsApp, you are doing some kind of activity on the Facebook, okay? You are also doing some kind of activity on the Instagram, okay? So that all is happening with the help of internet, right? So students, now this is the small introduction about what is internet and what is the benefits of about that. Now I am coming to the our next thing, that is social networking site. Let me erase the code here and then we come to the our next topic. Our next topic. So our topic is social networking site. Social networking, social networking sites. Social networking sites. Okay, so what it is saying that means it's a one kind of, you can say, a combination of a specific group on the internet, and that specific group are getting connected somehow on a particular platform. कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ, कुछ स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप हैं जो आपस में किसी न किसी तरीके से किसी प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से वो इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं और वो सोशली अवेलेबल है आपका, कि आप समाज से जुड़ने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं यहाँ विद द यूज ऑफ इंटरनेट, राइट? सो आप इंटरनेट से जुड़ेंगे जरूर, लेकिन उसके लिए कोई ना कोई प्लेटफॉर्म जरूर होगा, राइट? सो फॉर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट देयर आर मेनी, means I mean to say that means site means it is saying about, site means website, site means website. It means that it is the collection of web pages, okay, and that web pages contains many kinds of graphics, many kinds of images, many kinds of text, okay, and that is giving a one kind of information to the person, right? So right now we are talking about networking, social networking sites, okay, means the site which gives you a opportunity to interact with the person who is available in the social, right? Likewise, I am a person, I want to share a data with other person, right? We are using our WhatsApp, we are using our Facebook, okay? So your friend is sitting at Australia, okay, and I am sitting in India, I want to share something to him, so it is not possible to go immediately with the aeroplane to Australia, right? Is it only a thing is possible that you can, whatever the data you have, you can send with the use of internet by using some kind of platform, right? So Facebook also doing the same thing, isn't it? Now, so right now the example for social networking is best example here, Facebook. The best example, because nowadays it is very famous for you. Best example here, right? So Facebook, you know that it's a one kind of social networking site, and this social networking site is used to share your text, share your pictures, share your whatever the experience you are having. You can also create a new web page in your Facebook, and by creating that web page you can insert, you can merge anything in that newly created web page, right? Okay, now with this I am coming to the next topic, and in this next topic I will give you about details about Twitter and microblogging. Okay, one more thing I just want to give you here. You can also take the example of Twitter here, because Twitter is also giving one kind of opportunity for social networking, right? Twitter is also giving an opportunity for social networking. Okay, so let me erase the board and coming to the second topic. So our second topic is Twitter and microblogging. Our second topic is Twitter and microblogging. Twitter and microblogging. So students, first we are going to talk about what is Twitter. What is Twitter? Okay, so as you know that Twitter is nothing but it's a social networking site, or you can say a microblogging website. So we are coming to microblogging later on, but first we are going to understand what the Twitter is. Twitter is the website, you know that, and this Twitter website giving the opportunity to write the blogs. This is the one kind of platform where you can write the blogs. Okay, so one new term came here. Blog. So blog is the combination of two words, web plus log. Web means internet. Web means internet. Log means it's a one kind of activity. मतलब क्या हुआ कि वेब लॉग मतलब ये हुआ कि एक ऐसी एंट्री, यहां पे आप इसको बता सकते हैं एंट्री. ओके, सो वेब लॉग मींस क्या हो गया कि इट्स अ वन काइंड ऑफ एंट्री व्हिच इज डन ऑन द इंटरनेट, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लॉग. मींस यू आर डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ entry on the platform, on the any of the website, and that entry is known as your blog, right? So right now Twitter is also giving us this kind of facility, but when you're doing some kind of blog in Twitter term, it is called tweets. If you talk about the terminology of Twitter, the blog is known as tweets. Okay, but there is certain limitation in the Twitter. Then whenever you are writing any of the tweets, you can write only 280 characters. Yes, 280 characters. Right, students? Please remember this thing. Only 280 characters. 280 characters. So please remember this thing. So once you are making any kind of entry, any kind of log on the Twitter, that blog is known as your tweets, and everyone can see this kind of tweets. Okay, because it is you are sharing your ideas, sharing your thoughts with the help of your blog to the publicly, not in privately. ओके, कि आप यहाँ पर जो भी ट्वीट शेयर कर रहे हो पब्लिकली शेयर कर रहे हो, प्राइवेट में नहीं कर रहे हो. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर ट्विटर. अब हम बात करते हैं माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग का. लेट मी इरेज द बोर्ड हियर. अब हम बात करते हैं माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग. ओके, सो माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग का मतलब आपको बताया. पहले तो मैंने आपको ब्लॉग का मतलब बताया. ब्लॉग का मतलब मैंने आपको क्या बताया? ब्लॉग का मतलब आपको ये बताया कि आप यहाँ पर इंटरनेट पे कोई एंट्री करते हैं, वो आपका ब्लॉग कहलाता है. ठीक है, तो जब ये एक्टिविटी आप करते हो, ब्लॉगिंग करते हो आप, ठीक है, तो एक क्या करते हैं, एक लिमिटेड कैरेक्टर्स का इस्तेमाल करो, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते आप. ओके, इसलिए इसको कहा गया माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग. राइट, तो Twitter is also called the microblogging website, and there is one more name. The Twitter is also called by one more name. Okay, the name is SMS of the internet, SMS of the internet, right? So please be remember, okay? So students, right now I have given you information about Twitter, what the Twitter is and what the microblogging is, right? So you have already taken an example, that is Twitter is the best example here for microblogging, right? Now I am coming to our third topic, that is internet forum. Our third topic is internet forum. Internet forum. Coming to the third topic, internet forum. Okay, internet forum. So first of all, internet, you know that. First of all, now we have to discuss what the forum is. What is forum? We have to discuss it. Okay. So forum is it's a one kind of a discussion area on the internet where some of the members of a particular group are giving or sharing their ideas, their thoughts about a particular agenda, particular topic which are happening in our society. कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पर फॉरम एक ऐसा डिस्कशन एरिया है, एक इंटरनेट फॉरम जो इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल है, यहाँ पर किसी पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप के जो मेंबर है, ग्रुप आप यहीं पे क्रिएट करोगे, वो मेंबर अपने आइडियाज को, अपने थॉट्स को, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करते हैं और वो जो थॉट्स है, जो आइडियाज हैं, वो किसी न किसी सामाजिक इश्यू के ऊपर वो बेस्ड है, राइट? So this is internet forum. Okay, and one example I am just remembering here. The example is PHPBB. This is the one of the name of your website. Okay, and by using this website, you can also use the facility of internet forum, right? So now with this, I am coming to the next topic, that is OneDrive. That's my favorite topic, okay, and I hope you are also enjoying it. Will enjoy here. OneDrive. OneDrive. So what do you think, student? What is OneDrive is? Tell me. What do you think? OneDrive is nothing but it's a one kind of facility for storing your data on the internet. Yes, I repeat for you. It's a one kind of facility for online storage. Okay, you can store your data online. Means you can whatever the data you have, whatever the text you have, whatever the document, PDF, whatever things. Okay, you can store this thing on the internet. Okay, and this facility is given by OneDrive. The owner of the OneDrive is Microsoft. The owner is Microsoft, right? That's why it is called as Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, and its earlier name is SkyDrive. SkyDrive or Windows Live SkyDrive. Okay, Windows Live SkyDrive. Clear? तो ये तो आपका हो गया, ये the owner is the Microsoft and the SkyDrive and Windows Live SkyDrive is the earlier name. Okay, and if I talk about that how to upload and how to download the particular thing from the OneDrive, you can watch the previous videos, okay, of this chapter. You can have the practical demonstration about the same. You can get it easily and understand very easily. Okay, so students, now let me give you how much is storage space is provided by OneDrive. How much? Okay, right now 2020 is going on. So in 2020, the storage space is only 5 GB. Okay, but when this website is started, okay, so this is suppose it is started in 2012, and in this year it is giving originally like 25 GB of space. 25 GB is initially. So just think about it. Right now it initially 25 GB, but currently it is only 5 GB. So by using these storage space, you can put your data on the internet, right? Now, so with this, we are coming to our last topic, that is cloud computing. Let me erase the board here. Let me erase the board here. So first topic is, the topic number is 5. The topic number is 5. That is cloud computing. Cloud computing. So as you know that the word cloud means internet. You can use the word cloud for internet. Okay, and what is the meaning of computing? What is the meaning of computing? Computing is if you do any kind of manipulation, or you can say here configuration, any kind of configuration, or you can do any kind of accessing work, okay, that come under computing. Okay, so what is the definition for cloud computing? Okay, so if you talk about the cloud means whatever the set of hardware, set of software or storage are there, that all things are available on the internet. Okay, that's why we are using the internet word instead of cloud. And if you talk about the computing, whatever the storage, whatever the hardware, software is available on the internet, if you want to do any kind of manipulation work, accessing work, configuration work, okay, that is already available on the internet. Okay, so that things is collaboratively known as cloud computing. ठीक है, कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पर कि यहाँ पर आप अपने स्टोरेज को, अपने हार्डवेयर को, सॉफ्टवेयर को, ओके, इसके अलावा आप यहाँ पर जितने भी चीजें हैं उन सबको आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो, कभी आपको जरूरत पड़ती है मैनिपुलेशन करते हो आप। अगर आपको लगता है कि इंटरनेट पे इन सब चीज़ों को कॉन्फ़िगर करना है तो आप कॉन्फ़िगर करते हो आप, या फिर इसके अलावा आप कभी भी इसकी जरूरत पड़ने पर एक्सेसिंग भी करते हो. ओके, सो राइट नाउ दिस इज द वन काइंड ऑफ अ स्मॉल डेफिनेशन फॉर क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, राइट? So right now for cloud computing, various kinds of examples are there that giving the facility of a cloud computing. OneDrive is also an example of cloud computing. Google Drive, that's the best example. Google Drive, yes. Okay. Apart from Google Drive, Dropbox is also having a best example here, right? So there are various example here through which you can have the cloud computing facility. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood each and everything, and this is the one kind of revision session. Okay, you can also watch my previous videos for having the details about the all of my topics and all the practical demonstration work, right? So students, so I hope you are able to have any kind of query, so you can definitely get in touch with me on the YouTube comment as well as on my WhatsApp, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. You will definitely like this video, and you are surely share this video to other of your friends. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, and I'm just waiting for your valuable feedback. So students, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.